Hello, my name is Father Robertus Wijanarko. I'm the visitor of the Indonesian province. As you know that Indonesia is located in Southeast Asia. We have around 92 converts and one brother there. Besides working in Java, we work also in the mission and also in the international mission, like in Solomon Island, in West Papua, Papua New Guinea, and we are involved in the mission in China also. We still have a good number of seminarians, and we also work with Vincentian family. This opportunity opened my mind that we really are an international congregation. We need to share our resources, share our personnel, and share our vision. And this meeting have been enriching, and I am enriched by this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.